Now, your first Alert 5 weather.
So far this Friday has been really nice and chilly this morning, and then we've had a warm afternoon. Our temperatures skyrocketing well above average to 76 in the Springs, and 81 in Pueblo is where we're at right now. We're in the low 80s in the eastern plains. It's 82 in Springfield and Lamar right now. We even have some 70s in the mountains like in Saguache. 66 in Woodland Park is still quite comfortable. So we are ending the week on a nice warm note. We are getting a little breezy this afternoon, especially for our mountains. Winds of about 15 miles per hour in Salida, getting a little stronger into northeastern Colorado. This is also where we've had very dry conditions. So red flag warnings are in place for the northeastern plains and the northern I-25 corridor until 6 o'clock. And so fire danger on the increase today, thanks to the warm and windy day we have had. And actually these winds being brought on by a cold front, that's just giving us a glancing blow through this evening. It's going to cool our temperatures down by just a couple degrees for tomorrow. But then Saturday night into Sunday, stronger cold front moves in, increases cloud cover, and we are going to be much cooler by Sunday. Sunday, there is a slight chance of some mountain showers. I do think the plains will stay dry, but it's going to be another gloomy, kind of spooky day out there to wrap up the weekend. So here's your weekend forecast. 69 for tomorrow, just slightly cooler than today, and then much cooler on Sunday to 54. 74 in Pueblo tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Then we've got the cool down to 59 for the high Sunday and plenty of clouds. So for tonight, we're still nice and clear out there, so temperatures will plummet. 20s and 30s expected for the mountains, mostly 30s, couple low 40s for the plains. So once again, a chilly start for Saturday, but the afternoon will be comfortable to 69 in the Springs, 74 in Pueblo. Lots of sunshine and still above average, even though tomorrow we will be a couple degrees cooler in the plains thanks to that breezy front moving through. So across the region tomorrow, 60s, 70s in the Pikes Peak region. Looking forward to 50s or 60s in Teller County. Mostly 60s in El Paso County tomorrow, although Fort Carson and Fountain just briefly making it to 70. We'll find middle 70s along the Arkansas River, low 70s for the Wet Mountain region. So there will be a bit of a breeze once again Saturday afternoon, especially into the evening hours as that next cold front moves in. We could see wind gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour. And then the cooler air and the increased moisture filter in, and we'll see the clouds increase. So Sunday's the biggest change you'll notice on the Super 7 day. We're going to see temperatures dropping into the 50s. We'll be below average, but that's the only day we're going to feel that way. Warming back to the 60s and 70s with sunshine next week. In Pueblo, 70s tomorrow, then dropping to 59 for the high on Sunday. It's going to be fairly cloudy all day and staying in that upper 50 range throughout the bulk of the afternoon. Then we'll be back to warmth in no time. For Canyon City, you're following the same pattern. 70s to start the weekend, 50s to wrap up the weekend, 60s and 70s next week. Lots of sunshine next week. Woodland Park, you're dropping to the upper 40s by Sunday. That's going to feel chilly, but then things start to become more comfortable by next week. A high of 67 by Wednesday. Chris?